to Module 2 in this course. This particular module is going to be looking at working with subject matter experts, called SMEs for short. You'll hear the term SME quite a bit. Explaining course design timelines and production processes, which gets into project management, and looking at some project management tools. There's a very, very good chance you're going to be working with SMEs. I work with them all the time, people who are experts in certain areas. So part of my position currently is one of the things I do is I have to find or locate subject matter experts for things which are way outside of my wheelhouse. Like, for example, we are bringing on a bunch of courses in manufacturing and some nursing courses and some other things. And so I am working with two different outside organizations that are what we call OPMs, Online Program Management Companies. One's based out of Denver and one's based out of Ohio. And as part of that, either they hire the SME or I hire the SME. So I go out and find somebody who has expertise in, say, CNC machining, which is a type of machine that's for lathing and milling and that type of thing. And that person will work with us and work with the OPM to actually help design and shape the course. So you'll find that you'll be working with SMEs a lot. As a instructional designer or as a course designer developer, you will help to sort of facilitate the course design maybe, but typically we really lean into a SME. One of the OPMs I work with from out of Denver, they actually subcontract for instructional designers. So when we do weekly calls, we have weekly calls, the entire team, the faculty, the SME, the company project manager, and the instructional design team will all meet with me. And we do that through Zoom, and we kind of walk through the course and talk about what's going on and where we're at and what's happening and that sort of thing. So get used to it. This is the way that most these major corporations work, is they work with these subject matter experts. And then we also use various project management tools. I happen to use Microsoft Planner for almost everything I do. I use it so much that I have it just open on a window every day so I can look at it and I can update notes and see what the project is, look at the schedule, make sure we're on task, that sort of thing. It's really, really important to be able to track projects using a project management tool. If you're going to go into this business, even as a course designer, you're going to have to know how to manage your projects and make sure you stay on task. So project management tools are vital. So with that, there's a little bit of an overview of some of the elements you're going to need. The readings here, production and timeline processes, working with subject matter experts, so forth and so on. I've got an optional one, which is kind of a fun read. And then some videos. One more from Tim Slade, another one from Tim Slade, another one from Tim Slade about creating a project plan. And then this one's kind of fun, how to design e-learning courses that don't suck. This one is another one from Tim Slade as well. Just an optional one if you want to watch that one. And then a list of project management tools. And there is an assignment. These are just a few of them that are very common. So there's a conversation in this module, and then also an assignment we're going to do a compare and contrast of those project management tools. So that is Module 2 overview.